In this tutorial I will show you how you can easily change your email address on your Instagram account. First, open your Instagram app and go over to your Instagram profile page. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. Next, tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Then tap on the Account Center at the very top. Here select on Personal Details. Tap on the Contact Info option. Here you can see your email and phone number added to your account. Tap on the email address that you don't want connected to this Instagram account, and you can tap on the Delete option to remove that email. If you want to add another email address and change, and just tap on the Add New Contact option at the bottom. And you will be able to add a new email address to your Instagram account.